The LYB Scholars program was inspired by a simple belief that talent is everywhere, but access to opportunities is not.
This scholarship is not just a regular mail a check type of scholarship. They truly care about you from the moment you check in and receive your itinerary to the moment you leave.
It's an amazing opportunity. You get to go and tour the facilities and really get to feel like you're a part of a company.
The unique opportunities available through the LYB Scholars program include mentorship, leadership development, and the opportunity to participate in our co-op and intern programs the following year.
I secured an internship in Lake Charles. Without that Scholars program, it would have been a lot harder to secure an internship.
The early career talent pipeline is critical to the long-term success of LYB, and the Scholars program is just one enabler to that strategy.
What truly stood out to me is that everybody treated me like I was family and like I was a part of the company.
They don't just treat you as a visitor, they treat you as somebody that is a part of their team. The level of care and attention is just unmatched.
Visit lyb.com/scholars to learn more.